Let's do a weekly self-care video. So this isn't going to be any sort of makeup. I'm just going to paint my nails, do my skincare, put some faux eyelash extensions on, and probably whiten my teeth too. We'll see what all I feel like doing. But this is my weekly self-care routine. I do a lot of these steps every week, and other steps here I'd like to be doing every week, but sometimes I just don't have the time. So first, I'm going to put my hair up. Okay, hair is up, and I have this plush headband. I do have those stretchy ones, but I couldn't find any of them. And the first thing I'm going to do is do this triple acid exfoliant from RAEL Beauty. This is a gel-like exfoliant that has AHA, BHA, PHA, and triple hyaluronic acid. It's a very gel formula. You put this on. Oh, my bad. First, I have to take off these acne stickers. These are the Patch RX acne dots, and they pulled out so much gunk out of those two spots that I picked. So now I'm going to go in with this triple acid exfoliant. This is a gel product, and it just leaves your skin feeling baby soft after you use it. I forgot another patch. And I've been using it on a weekly basis, and it's made my skin so radiant and soft, and I think it's been helping with my acne as well. It is a Miracle Clear line. I just tinted my eyebrows earlier in the week, and I've been getting them waxed, so I don't need to do anything with them. I leave this on for 10 minutes, so in that time, I'm going to be doing my nails. I'm going to be using the Zoya line. This is the base coat, top coat, and the color in Venus. This color is such a beautiful holographic pink shade. I will insert a video from my phone to show you the application of this, but I'm not going to film the whole process. I just rinsed off my face, and it's feeling so soft. I'm just going to pat it dry. Nails are also done. A little messy, but I don't care. Hopefully this will just help me prevent biting and picking them, because they just feel so much smoother and stronger when they have polish on. I'm going to go in with the next product. So I love this Revision Skincare Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. This is another exfoliating gentle skin revival mask. And it doesn't have a lot of pigment to it. I love the ones that have a lot of color. This one is just this yellowy color. When you put it on, it kind of just blends into your skin. I do have the Freeman ones that are all different colors as well, but I haven't used those in years, and I just got them again. So I'm just going to show you the ones that I've actually actively been using. And this one's really good, and it has these exfoliating beads in it. So it is a little gritty on the skin. I'll usually put this on and then leave it on while I do whatever I do, continue my day normally, and then I will just jump in the shower to rinse it off. So this is going to be a new step in my routine. I am going to whiten my teeth. These are the Snow Diamond strips. There's 14 in this pack. It's advanced whitening. It repairs your enamel and has virtually zero sensitivity. And you leave these on for 15 to 20 minutes. I kind of like this. Already they stick really well to my teeth. I do have some pretty big canines here, so I'm curious how it'll work. Just making my gums stick. This is really nice so far. Oh, I lost that strip. I'm just gonna let these on and go about my day, because I can't really talk with this in. My mouth is starting to water a little bit. I'll be back in 15 minutes. Next, I'm gonna take this Bath & Body Works Birthday Cake Lip Scrub. I've never used this, but all lip scrubs are kind of the same. I think my daughter dug into it actually. I'm gonna put this on my lips. They're super dry, just from wearing liquid lipsticks and not really moisturizing or using chapsticks. I personally don't like the taste of lip scrubs. I think there's like always something that's not just sugar in there. So I'm gonna wet my towel. I'm just gonna wipe that all off. And it helps get rid of any dead skin, any dry skin, and just leave your lips looking smoother for the next time you want to wear lipstick, or if you just want smoother lips. So there's the new lips. I'm going to put on a hydrating lip oil. Next, I'm going to take the e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil Glimmer in Citrine Gleam. This is a super hydrating lip oil, and it's perfect to wear on those days where you're not really going to do a full face of makeup, or even if you do, it just keeps your lips hydrated and it's very comfortable. And it has glitter in it. I'm going to do eyelash extensions because I feel so pretty when I have them, and you can do them at home with these Ardell Seamless Underlash Extension Kit. This product, which is double-ended, it has the bond and the seal. You put the bond on first, and then you just put the lashes underneath here. I'm not really going to be able to talk through this. Looks like this. It's like a super thin mascara wand. You put this underneath your eye lashes, and I'm just going to put the lash glue on. Get as close to your lash line as possible, but you want this to be on your actual lashes. And there you go. So there's one done. I'm gonna put this right next to that first one. Again, put it right next to that other one. If you have a friend who can help you too, it's much easier. After you do this a couple times, you do get the hang of it. It does get easier, and each time they are going to last you a little longer. So now you take the other side, which is the seal. This is just a clear, and you just seal that, and this makes it no longer sticky. When I have these on, I try not to get them super wet for a while, and I really am careful with washing my face and washing off my eye makeup, and I don't wear mascara when I have these on. There's one eye done. Look at the difference. And I think this kit's super fun because you can get lash extensions at home at your leisure and not spend $100 on extensions somewhere else, even though those would last longer since they're always applied professionally. I'm gonna do this eye off camera and I'll show you guys the results. I think they look really nice and natural. It just gives you a more dramatic look to your eyelashes while still looking really natural and pretty, and you can just wake up and go and not have to do anything. And my skin feels so good. My nails look super cute. I had fun doing this self-care, and I definitely want to be doing this stuff more on a weekly basis. I've definitely been getting better. I could still be more consistent. If you guys would like to see my everyday skincare, or if you have any other video ideas, comment them below. And as always, I'm Sparkling Jules MUA on all platforms. Give me a follow, and thank you for watching.